Hi everyone. Today's video is about kind of unboxing of Ace Academy postal package for electrical engineering. I already opened it for video making purpose. It was just a cardboard package, nothing else. So no point to show it. First of all, I would like to tell you that the Ace Academy sends the notes in a two installment. When I asked them about it, they give me a reason of heavy volumes of notes. So let it be. Don't worry about it. Ace Academy sends a notes within a 15 days of payment confirmation. So first installment I received yesterday and second installment they would probably send in 10 to 15 days. So in this installment we got 27 books along with the workbooks, previous year question books, test books, bits and bytes and etc etc. So this is a list of books. This is a list of books. You can clearly see that the textbook of power electronics and the textbook of verbal ability is written as pending. So these books will be come in a next installment. So now I'm gonna show you the notes. I consider you already know about the syllabus of electrical engineering for GIT. So this is the first book. Is a power electronics and drives. This is a book of signal and system. This is a textbook. All books come with the workbooks for practice purpose. So this is the workbooks of signal and system processing. These are books of electrical circuits. This is a textbook. Okay, I will put it here. This is a workbook of electrical circuit. This is a textbook of digital electronics. This is a workbook of digital electronics and microprocessor. This is a book of electrical engineering for electrical machine. It is a textbook. This is a workbook for practice purpose of machines. This is an important topic for GIT. It contains a heavy weightage. This is a book of control system, and again it is a workbook of control system for practice purpose. This is a textbook of electromagnetic field. It is a analog electronics textbook, and it is a analog electronics and electromagnetic field workbook. It is a book of electrical and textbook measurement, textbook theory with worked out examples and practice question. You can clearly see it. This is a workbook of objective practice of measurement, electrical measurement. Here it is a book of power system. It is a textbook. Here is a power system workbook for practice purpose, and this is an important part. This is a engineering mathematics textbook. This is a workbook for practice purpose, and it is a previous year questions with solution and subject wise, chapter wise. So this is a for practice purpose of engineering mathematics. So by this we can practice more and more and score more marks in GATE exam. So this is a book of numerical ability, logical reasoning and analytic ability. This is a theory book. It is a book of general aptitude, previous year GATE questions. I mean, okay, all these previous year questions is with come with the solutions and subject wise and chapter wise. So it will be easy for study. Here it is a bits and bytes of a GATE practice booklet, electrical engineering. Here you can see this is volume 1 of 1116 expected questions with solutions. Okay, where is the frame? Yeah, with solutions, and again it is a same book with a volume 2, and again so here is we get a more practice, and here is a book for electrical engineering previous year GATE questions with solution, and here is it is for all subject. You can clearly see its width, sorry, and this is a book of numerical ability for practice purpose. So the binding of pages, binding of these notes and pages is the quality of pages and the binding is good, and the content within it is also good, and it is very easy to understand. The price of this whole package is about 10K. You can also check it on their website. So that's it, guys. Hope you like the video. This is our first video on YouTube. We will meet in the next video with unboxing of second installment of postal package. Thanks for watching. All the best.